How to delete PC App Store Mcafee pop-up. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you the easiest method on deleting your PC App Store on your Mcafee pop-up. So first is make sure that your Mcafee is not currently running by accessing your task manager. So this is where all you can see all the processes that's currently ongoing and up and running on your PC. If your Mcafee is listed one of the apps, just simply click it and choose on End Task. Next is you need to figure out how you can open up or pull up your safe mode on your PC because it's going to be case-to-case basis on what operating system you're running. But what usually you do is to go into the Windows icon and then hover your mouse into power, and then restart your PC. And when it's boot up, just simply hold the shift key on your keyboard and then tap on R multiple times till you go into safe mode. Now, once PC boot up, just go into the file manager and then go into local disk, access your program files 86, and this is where you can safely delete your PC App Store. You just need to locate that and have it deleted. Now, once you successfully deleted it, all you have to do next is to go back into the Windows search and type in run, and then access your percentage sign followed by TMP and percentage sign once again and hit on OK. Now, this will let you access all the cached files that you have on your PC, including the folder that you just deleted earlier. Click on anywhere inside the box, Control A, and have it deleted all at once. And that's basically it. That's how you delete PC App Store and Mac Cafe pop-up.